from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, Natalia.
Brains, beauty, and brawn. Natalia's awesome. Well, this has all the makings of a beautiful match.
This is going to be a good one here.
A good one? It's going to be a great one. Anytime the Divas are in action, it's great.
A swift kick.
And she's toast. Wham! Again with the drop kick.
Bulldog driving the opponent face first to the floor. Oh, forced back inside.
Wow, is she ready to go? Come on, Michael. You know she and I look great on a wedding cake together.
What a match this is going to be.
Would you look at the face of Brittany? What a neck breaker.
Counter by Brittany.
Textbook counter by Natalia. Oh, look at the emotion.
And again, the mind games are played.
There's going to be a lot of offense in this match. What a reversal. Natalia sees the opening. You got to love this match. It's got more curves than a racetrack. Back into the ring now. Well, look at this move, Cole.
The quick kick. WWE superstars, always so action-packed, putting on incredible matches like the one we're watching right now.
A suplex like that takes a lot of power and delivers a lot of impact.
What a kick that was.
Oh, my motto would be, love thy neighbor, if I lived next door to her.
And now it's Natalia who is dealing the damage.
Well, look, we all knew she was outmatched in this one, but I wouldn't call this match just yet. She might still have a few tricks up her sleeve. Oh, Michael, I love these diva matches. Look at the way they're dressed.
And she slaps on the submission. Will this be it? Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here.
Brittany.
What an incredible power bomb. When you're beat up, the last thing you want to have to deal with is this amount of power.
Brittany.
Oh, look at the strength. These divas are not only beautiful, they're strong. We got to cover. Where does she get it from? How is she still going?
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
Tremendous gamble. Amazing results.
Oh, what a painful kick.
Another stiff kick. Wild strike. Doesn't find a home. Now back to the ring.
I'm warning you, keep it up.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Wow, Cole, did you see that? That laid him out cold.
Oh, she does it again.
She's gonna need to dig down deep if she wants to keep going now. Oh, out of nowhere.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Hurricanrana.
6.
The official continuing his count toward 10.
Come on, move.
She's trapped. Oh, look at the emotion.
8.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Back into the ring now.
And this is going to return to the ring.
Nicely reversed there by Natalya.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
1.
Back into the ring now.
2.
Now back to the ring. And Natalya says, no, not this time. And there's some more emotion on display.
Oh, look at the emotion.
Oh, a big fall out of the ring.
1. 2.
And this is going to return to the ring.
Natalya setting it up.
Hooking away.
I hope you know CPR, Michael, because she just took my breath away.
1.
Nothing's more dangerous than a diva who knows how good she looks.
3.
And there's some more emotion on display.
I'm warning you, I will count you out. 4. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. 2.
What's this from Natalya?
3.
Oh, through the back spear. My God, completely destroyed the barricade.
4.
Now back to the ring.
5.
And there's a taste of the confidence of Natalya.
6.
I think I just found the angel I'd like to be touched by. Much longer, and this could end in the countout. No, not again.
Natalya seems to have forgotten she's in a match right now.
Things have gone from bad to worse for Brittany. Back into the ring now. Oh, boy. What WWE fan doesn't love a beautiful diva with skills like Natalya's? Oh, look at the strength. These divas are not only beautiful, there's a cover.
2.
DDT.
There's the submission. She might have no choice but to tap.
Oh, you're not going to last long here.
No, it's time to fight out or tap out, King.
We know what this this is. That suplex was picture perfect.
Brittany.
Big power bomb. Oh, gosh. Hey, what? We got a cover.